Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am creating my social media spread in my dashboard planner, and I'm going to be using the colorful Leopard sticker book. This is relatively a new book. I've really only decorated one spread with it, so I am still getting used to this book. There's a lot to choose from, a lot of different boxes, and it's not just, leopard. There's also like some spots. I don't know, there's just all sorts of cute animal prints, and I love that it's colorful as well. And, has a lot of black as well, because I normally am not drawn to pastels. So anyway, I am in my dashboard planner. This is what I use for my social media planner. And I have truly grown to love using my dashboard planner. It is one of those spreads that I don't think I could ever get tired of, because there's just so many different ways to use it, so many different ways to create it or like make it your own kind of thing. So anyway, the beginning little section of this video I filmed a while back, and then I finished the rest of the video, just recently. So that's why I had a Band-Aid on my finger in one part of it, and then, this part I don't, and then also why my desk mat is not there, and so it's just my regular wood desktop. So anyways, maybe no one would have noticed, but I thought I would point it out. Okay, so I'm using this really long sticker, and there are 7 sections. So I have a plan to use it for my stories. So each day I'm going to have something, in particular that I'm going to post about in my stories, and already have that kind of planned out. Then I hop over to the right page, and these cute boxes, I'm putting on a few different parts of the days of the week. Just, I could leave the right page, without any stickers at all. But when I'm using a sticker book that has a lot of cute boxes and stuff like that, then I like to use those as well. So I just put them in a few of the days of the week, maybe 2 or 3. And that way I can either make notes in them or have a little to-do list or something where I need to, make a note of something or make a list. I don't know. So anyway, that is that part. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would see that I just got the pack of washi tape that's all black and white. I think it's $10 for maybe 10, 11, 12, I don't know, different black and white rolls. And so this is one of them. I really like this one because it kind of looks like one of my favorite washis that I always use, but it's kind of like spackle, if you know what that is. But I really like it, and I thought it went well with the spread. So putting down different pieces of washi throughout the page, not even on a border or anything. It's literally just random little pieces of washi. I think it's just super cute. Then the plan, I think it says the plan. Yes. The plan sticker I put on for Monday, because Monday is like a big day to figure out where everything is going to go, how I need to lay it down, the schedule, all sorts of different stuff. So having a box up there is something that was helpful to me. I believe it was last week, if not the week before. And then hopping back over to the left page, the different sections that I need is stories, and then editing and video ideas, and goals and to do. So that's why I like to use the dashboard planner, because I have a lot of different lists that I need for my social media planner, and the dashboard planner has that area. So it really truly is the perfect amount of space. So for the days of the week, I have, two posts, two Instagram posts, maybe what I'm going to do for my story, and then what video I'm going to upload. So not that much that I need to write down on each day, but then all the lists are the big section. So being able to have that all on the left page, it's literally perfect. So I really, really, really enjoy that. So the note to self section, right at that top corner, is going to be my editing section. And then the box that I just put down, like that black one, is going to be my to-do list. So I feel like it's kind of small, but we'll see how it goes. Again, since this is like a new concept, of maybe not completely new, but I'm still like working out the kinks. So I do one thing one week, and if it doesn't work, then I go back to figuring out a different idea. But then that task list sticker, I believe I got out of the Boss Babe book, I think. Oh, I'm going to have to look back on that, but I will definitely put it in the description below. If you don't already know, and maybe you don't read the descriptions of each of the videos, I always have a list below. There's a lot of stuff actually in each of the descriptions, but I always have a list of every single book that I pulled out and where I found a sticker, so that in case anyone wonders, then they can just look in there. Or if maybe you're just curious, maybe you can even ask me in the comments below, because I'm not always perfect. Maybe sometimes I've overlooked a sticker. Then this Stay Wildly Grateful I thought was really cute, and I liked that it was a circle, because sometimes you can get pretty box happy, so having a different shape is always nice. So I put that up in that little open box on the right page. Then that completed a page, so I was able to cut it out. And that's always super satisfying. And then this, it says, stop rushing through life. And I really like that. It also, I'm not sure if you can tell with this lighting because it is pretty bright, but it's written in black, just regular font. But then it is like, in calligraphy underneath in very light tan color. So I really liked that. Then I fill in a few different areas with a little bit more of those leopard spots, so that there's a little bit at the top, a little bit at the bottom, and then a little bit in the middle. And then this page has really cute leopard, but there is no black. It's always it's just pastels with gold flecks, which I think is super cute, but I really only pulled from that one page. So I just pulled that one out because I thought it was cute. So I'm pretty much wrapping up the rest of the page, but overall, I did use quite a few stickers, but every single section that I need is covered. So I'm going to be probably using a pretty small pen this week, because each of the sections I have kind of a, smaller box than normal. So I'm going to see how that works out. And if I feel like it was kind of restrictive, then I probably won't do that again. I then decided to pull out the alphabet book so that I could label that long column sticker for the days of the week. So maybe say Wednesday or Thursday, I'm like, wait, what day is it? So then I would have to like go back and count or whatever. So that's why I ended up putting the first letter of each of the day of the week on there to just add a little bit, but also like add a little bit of pizzazz, but also so that I can keep track better. And that is it. So I'll put it back into the discs so that you can see the finished look. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.